house, it feels so empty. 'Cause now I live alone. The kid next door keeps asking me where you've gone, and I tell him you've gone home. But when I close my eyes, you're standing there in front of me. When I close my eyes, it's almost like it used to be. Then I realize you're just a ghost, maybe at most a fragment of my mind. When I close my eyes, the days can be so lonely, so I stay out all night. My friends say take it slowly. I tell them that I'll try. But when I close my eyes, you're standing